Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today we have this 2016 Kia Optima, and on this Kia Optima we've gone ahead and removed this because we were fixing this, but say you need to replace the module that controls your mirror to move the electric mirrors. You've got your left and your right, and to control that, well, you're going to have to remove this first because it holds in a little bit by the other one. So once that's been removed, and that's in a video, then you go ahead and you'll pop this off. And so the way we're going to do that, once your door panel has been removed and once you remove those pieces, then you're going to go ahead and flip the door around, and you got right here, we got some electric to undo. It's just a little push clip. Push it and pull it out, and then you've got a clip here. And a clip there. So there's a clip here and a clip here. There's clips on the back, but if you pop those clips, and then you can just roll it out. And then you would go ahead and get your new one of these, and and then you would take it and put it back in and just snap it up into place. And like I said, you got to take this one out first to be able to get this one out, because it's got these tabs here that they lock together, and so it's going to be pretty hard to get that out without taking this piece out. And then once you've put that, snapped it all back into place, just go ahead and make sure you hook your electrics back up, make it snap into place, and there you go. And that's how you would replace the module that controls the mirror to move. And thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.